I'm doing my weekly cleaning of the chicken coop, and I just wanted to share that I have a hookup now for wood chips or shavings. So somebody that I know that knows somebody has a shop, and I have all these sawdust. It's not really sawdust, it's like big sawdust from like a planer or some kind of saw. So I'm gonna give that a shot for the bedding for my chickens. I'm gonna fill up these trays. Okay, so the large sawdust is in the coop. We'll give it a shot and see how it works out.